Well, if you look at the construction progress, as Universal tends to do, the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift track
It's
is
done.
actually done. They've laid all the track on the new
Yes.
ride, which means they let's see, they demoed Rip Ride Rocket while they started building this back in August. So yeah, it's been about a year, little less than a year, and they were able to get all the track and stuff done. I mean, their speed of construction is a legit asset for them.
Well, and two, like it's not like you have this big open space you're working with. I mean, they had to work in and out of buildings and like they had to, I mean, there was a lot of work to be done. So they did a lot of it in a year, which is good for them.
Yeah, the thing that also helped with this is, you're talking about comparing this to the speed of construction of, say, the Hollywood Drift in Universal Hollywood, which did open, by the way, for soft opening.
Yes, it did.
There was a lot of speculation out there that this was not going to open until the end of the year or maybe sometime in 2027. And then like a week later, they're like, yep, soft opening. So I did hear, and I'll get back to it. It may pertain to the Orlando one, but they had a lot of wear and tear on the track that some of the people are saying that it was like this track had been running for years. And what they figured out was the centrifugal force of the spinning, because these are abnormal coaster cars, was causing excessive wear and tear. So they more than likely sent the cars to get them like remachined or something on the track part, and seemingly that fixed the issue there.
I will say there have been a couple people on social media that have been talking about what they feel about the ride going on it in Hollywood, and I think for the most part it's positive. There are some that have not been a fan of the 360 spinning. It's because sometimes it doesn't make sense, and it's like it's very disorienting.
Oh, it's going to be very disorienting.
So there's a ride, and I'm just gonna mention this because this is my experience with it. There's a ride at Silver City called Time Traveler, and I think I've talked about this before, but it does the same thing. So you're sitting not in cars, but you're sitting upright, and you're like it's like two, and then you're back to back with another two. And like it spins almost constantly. It depends on who's in the car.
It spins more than Hollywood Drift does.
It spins a lot,
and it's probably more intense.
It's very intense, and it's like a regular roller coaster, and it made me so sick. So based on that, and based on Hollywood Drift, I'm definitely going to pass on this roller coaster. But I can tell you that a lot of people were like, "Oh, but it's Cosmic Rewind spins." I'm like, it doesn't spin 360. It glides through, and it kind of
it's a different
changes.
type.
It changes like who I don't know. It doesn't spin like that. The Cosmic Rewind does it really well. This is not something that I will be doing. Like I said, the spinning is kind of getting people disoriented, and it's not for everyone. But then again, not every ride has to be for everyone. So if you're a spinny roller coaster person, this will probably be for you.
Yeah. So whenever, like, if you look at the construction of the Hollywood Drift in Hollywood and in Orlando, they had to grade the side of a hill, like all the. Like it was, honestly, that ride is like almost an engineering marvel of building a coaster where they did. Versus in Orlando, that's already graded. You had a ride there previously, so you have a lot of the things already set up for you to just go in here and replace the track. So I think that lends to the speed here. But yeah, I mean, I think that's probably going to open. I would say the earliest is the spring. So there's going to be a lot of testing of this for multiple months here, and they'll probably learn some of the issues that Hollywood had and fix them over here, and we'll see. But yeah, it's making some progress undoubtedly there.
Oh yeah.
So is the demolition of Lost Continent. That's moving along pretty well too.
So. Yep.